Tired of sacrificing taste for health when it comes to fried food? Is your deep fryer collecting dust, a monument to greasy, unhealthy meals of the past? There's a culinary revolution brewing, and it involves hot air, rapid technology, and the Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology. This isn't your average countertop appliance. It's a flavor-enhancing powerhouse that utilizes cutting-edge technology to deliver crispy perfection with up to 50% more even cooking. Intrigued? Keep reading to discover why the Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology could be the healthy and delicious kitchen upgrade you've been craving. This air fryer doesn't just fry, it bakes, roasts, and grills, all while saving you time and simplifying cleanup. Let's explore the features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks of this air fryer superstar. Turbocharged flavor, unveiling rapid air technology. The core innovation of the Philips Airfryer lies in its patented rapid air technology. This technology employs a powerful fan that swirls hot air rapidly throughout the entire cooking basket. This innovative design ensures even heat distribution, leading to consistently crispy results without the need for excessive oil. This translates to healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. Think crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or crunchy onion rings, all with significantly less fat. Beyond frying, unveiling culinary versatility. The Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology isn't a one-trick pony. While frying is its forte, it boasts a surprising range of functionalities. Baking, whip up healthy muffins, cookies, or even small cakes. Roasting, enjoy perfectly roasted vegetables, chicken breasts, or small cuts of meat. Grilling, achieve restaurant-quality sear marks on steaks or vegetables. This versatility allows you to experiment with a variety of recipes, potentially replacing multiple countertop appliances and freeing up valuable counter space. Faster cooking and easy cleanup. The rapid air technology doesn't just ensure even cooking, it also makes the air fryer exceptionally fast. No preheating is required, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Many recipes claim to be cooked significantly faster than in a conventional oven. Philips prioritizes convenience with the quick clean basket. This design features a removable, non-stick mesh that separates from the main compartment. This allows for easy cleaning in just 90 seconds, significantly reducing post-meal cleanup time. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe detachable parts further enhance the user experience. A few points to consider. While the Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology offers a plethora of features, here are some things to keep in mind. Limited recipe inspiration. The product description doesn't mention an included recipe book. You might need to rely on online resources for recipe inspiration. Analog interface. While user-friendly, some users might prefer a digital interface with pre-programmed settings. Capacity. The specific capacity of this model isn't mentioned in the provided description. Be sure to check the manufacturer's website or retailer listing to determine if the size is suitable for your needs. The final verdict. A turbocharged option for faster, healthier meals. The Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology offers an innovative approach to healthy cooking. The rapid air technology ensures even cooking and crispy results, while the versatility allows you to explore a variety of dishes beyond frying. The fast cooking times and easy cleaning features add to the convenience factor. However, the lack of a recipe book and an analog interface might be drawbacks for some users. Ultimately, if you prioritize healthy versions of your favorite fried foods and appreciate quick cooking times with easy cleanup, the Philips Airfryer with TurboStar technology could be a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.